welcome to this very special interview with somebody who dislikes pressure but must be under a lot of pressure. 48 hours to go before her time comes. 5 years she's given for this particular day with her team. And in 5 years, this team has become a team of world beaters. Not one star, in her words, but many who are aspirants and can win India medals and can get us laurels here in Tokyo. Strange world, Suma. You and I are in the same city, must be 2 kilometers apart, but there you are in your room in the village, and here I am in my hotel quarantining. Unbelievable world, but you and I will definitely see each other on the 24th in that stadium when Saurabh and the girls take center stage. Thoughts? Is it excitement, passion, tension, apprehension? What?
Hi, Boria. Nice being here with you. And I would say all of the above. So, it's a beautiful feeling, and because it's something that you don't feel all the time. Like how I always tell my athletes that my shooters that pressure is also a privilege. I think because it's something that. This is the one thing that I missed when I left shooting, when I got out of my sport, when I retired, and it's something that you hate it when it's there, but you miss it when it's not there. So and so I'm very happy to be in that situation where you feel like you're living every moment, and it's excitement. It's more a little more of excitement, and everything put together feels good.
So all of us are reading about these COVID cases in the village everywhere. I mean, each one of us getting tested every day. How is there apprehension? Is there fear? Is there concern? Because I, for example, I'm scared. I mean, you don't know who's a close contact. You don't know any of these things. This is not in your hands. So what is the kind of feeling that there is inside the village?
I would say generally, so to say, everything really looks normal, and the athletes are, the only difference you see is the mask. But deep inside, I think there is a little bit of apprehension about the COVID, but none of us are talking about it, or we try not to think about it. But also, I think coming from India and the situation in which we've been throughout the year, I think we are a little more aware of this, and we are a little more prepared for this because I remember the first camp that we had during the lockdown was really in quarantine conditions. We were all staying together, and we definitely had a lot of fear then. So I think coming from an environment that we've been through, I think we are a little more prepared, I would say, to deal with this fear factor here. But so to say, everything looks fine, and shooters are taking a lot of care. In fact, yeah, sometimes the youngster, the junior shooters, like, "Ma'am, chalo haath dho lete hain, फटाफट खा लेते हैं, let's get out of here." So these are small things that they are very much concerned of, and they are definitely following protocols.
ये आपने अभी जो बोला, I mean, this is actually music to my ears. Great Britain, from the reports that are emanating, they have decided to send 30 out of their 376 members, athletes, to the opening ceremony. I have already tweeted saying we should think about this because the opening ceremony is the biggest amalgamation of athletes where it can become a super spreader, and you don't know. So are there any thoughts, for example, will you welcome such a move if it comes from the IOA or the ministry or your delegation, the chef de mission, Mr. Vaishya? Because frankly, athletes have put in 5 years or more for this moment, and you do not want the opening ceremony to sort of spread infection and create a cluster. So your thoughts, would you want your athletes to go, or would you want them to better stay away?
I think I'd leave it to individual choice because you know what, yeah, it's going to be a super spreader, but at the same time we are going to be within our contingent, and for some it's like a once in a their lifetime that they're going to witness the opening ceremony, and it is a beautiful feeling, I must say that. So somewhere on the one side, I don't want them to miss out on that, but also on the other hand, it's the COVID fear. So I would like leave it to the athletes, and some of them have decided not to go, but some of them want to go ahead and, with taking all the care and precautions. So I think it's really an individual decision, but whatever collectively is decided by IOA, I think all the athletes are going to just accept it and really not question it, because it's going to be in the best interest of the athletes. So I think it's good.
Absolutely. But whoever has decided not to go, trust me, I think has taken a prudent call, because ultimately this is an unseen enemy and you do not know what's going on. So welcome that move. I mean, I for example, would welcome that move. Had I been, my quarantine ends on 24th morning, so I'll see you directly at the venue. But even if I was allowed, I wouldn't have gone, because that's the place where you have chance of picking up an infection. Anyway, coming to the 24th, Suba, how important is it to crack it on day one? Because if you do it, the whole contingent, the entire country all of a sudden gets behind the games, and then, 15 shooters, rest of the athletes, you've got a medal, means that pressure's gone. How important is that?
I think it's very, very important. The first day, especially with shooting, if we make it, I think it's going to be a chain reaction. So, and especially, we have a lot of juniors, and it's a very young team. So with them, it's a very competitive feeling that they have deep inside. So it's like, if she wins it, I want to do it too. So, and because I've seen it so often, like even in training, it's like even with those high scores, they're so competitive. If one of them, like in air rifle shooting, 100 and a series of 105 is, still okay. But if someone is shooting 106, then the other shooter wants to shoot 106.5, which are like really those above
Yeah.
average high scores. But they are so competitive. So I think if one of them wins a medal on the first day, I think it's going to be a chain reaction. And I so very much want that to happen.
All of us do. I mean, 1.3 billion, I don't want to go into individuals, but again, I mean, Time Magazine picks him. All of us recommend him. Perhaps the best. I mean, even Jin Jong will be wary of Saurabh Chaudhary. Give me a sense of Saurabh Chaudhary.
Saurabh has been on an amazing ride, and even post lockdown, I think his scores haven't really dipped as such, and he's been on a high. And when you look at him, he looks focused, he looks confident, and I like his body language even when he walks into the shooting range. And there's one very interesting incident. We were there in. Uh, During the World Cup in Croatia. We were in Zagreb, and no, it was during the European Championships. As soon as we
Mhm.
landed, so we had this Euro TV channel in the moving around, and they wanted to do Saurabh, and that lady was after me that I want to do him, and then but then I said, I'll check out, and then Saurabh was like, no, I don't want to do it, and then I said, yeah, we respected the decision. So when it was conveyed to her, she was in a state of shock. She said, I don't know a single athlete who's ever refused Euro Channel, and for her it was like, I don't believe it. He has kind of bowled me over, and now I'm a bigger fan of his. So so that's Saurabh. He is like unaffected, focused, and we hope for the best, and I want to see that he can do his best, and I think that should be enough.
Yeah, it should be. I mean, 587. I mean, look at his scores. And the only thing is here, you cannot leave it to him. If he wins, you've got to get him for me. There's no debate. I'm not going to leave you. So that's something that I'm putting on record. So Suma Shirur will have no option.
When it comes to Saurabh, I cannot guarantee
So,
that.
for the sake of the country, we'll make a collective plea that aa jao yaar, celebrate to karne do. Anyway, coming to the first day again, Suma, you've made this point in an interview, and I loved it. I've quoted it in a piece of mine, that there is not one star, and that has made a very important difference to this team. Give me a more detailed answer as to what you mean by that. There is tremendous talent, and how important that is for this team.
See, when we started shooting was like a no sport, nobody knew about shooting. So slowly, one after the other, and maybe, in the initial days we had maybe a one-off, someone shooting well, and maybe making it to the finals, that made him a star. And then so over the years we've had slowly we've had those additions in the performances and the performers, but never before have we had a team in which each one of them is a star in himself. I think max we had in the last edition was maybe, you know, two people who were in the top, you know, world rankings, and then pressure.
Jitu and yeah, Abhinav. Yeah.
Nina, yeah, and Abhinav. So, you know, it's like, so all the pressure is on them, that, you know, okay, the onus is on us, you know, we got to win. So it's a lot of pressure on, you know, one or two individuals. But, you know, 4 years down the line, 5 years down the line, thanks to, you know, a lot of, I can say, call it reforms in the system that was made in NRAI, under the leadership of our president, NRAI, and there've been a lot of so-called reforms. And today, what we see are, I think, out of 15, at least 8 of them are in the top world rankings, and that's like a never before. And I'm happy about that. You know, it's like, this is preparation, I would say, and
True.
this is what we can do. And we can, and to have, to, you know, to have the hopes of everyone on this young team, because of their performances, because of the fact that they're in the top world rankings, in itself is an achievement. And I feel so happy that we are in this stage, and this is what we can do, you know, prepare ourselves in a way that we are world beaters, and go into into a competition with this confidence, and not having one. So, you know, having so many out there keeps them all grounded, even in their high, you know, even with their high profiles, I would say, because, you
Yeah.
know, okay, you're world number one, even I am, and okay, even he is. So, you know, it also keeps all of them grounded. So, and it brings out that their competitiveness, and it brings out their, you know, their focus. So I think this is a very good kind of feeling that is there in the whole team.
Yeah, Raninda's flying today. I mean, we've already spoken several times, and I said you'll be in 3-day quarantine. आपको जाने नहीं देगा. He said, "ये कैसे हो सकता है? How can I not go on 24th? They've allowed me, but I can't meet anyone." So I said, "How will you do that? If your fellow wins, you'll jump and break all rules, and फिर आपको isolate कर देगा 14 days. So we've got to keep a tab on Raninder." So we had a great chat the other day. Anyway, so last couple of questions before I let you go. I loved another comment by Rahi in another interview where she said that, you know, at one point we were overawed. But my suggestion and my advice to the rest of the squad is do not think you're less to anyone. I love that comment, love that attitude. And that can actually showcase a very different India, Subha.
Yes, true. And I think that is so important. And all of us seniors actually, you know, feel that. And this is the one thing that even after I made my Olympic appearance, when everything was over, you know, I really said to myself, my God, we are one among the best. I could have so easily
You
done
were
it.
really good. I mean, you could have actually ended up with a medal for sure. Make no mistake. And
Yeah.
you know, and I think that was an opportunity lost.
Absolutely. And I now when I look back, I think the only thing that I lacked was self-belief, because, you know, I thought, can I, you know, that kind of a thing. And I think even with my coaches, because nobody had done it before. So, you know, it's like I don't think we prepared enough to win. We were, you know, in our minds, just making the final was good enough. So somewhere down the line, I think this has changed, and this is what, you know, from the experiences of our seniors, we tell the you know, shooters that you are one of the best, and their rankings and their experience and their wins in the last 3-4 years, you know, really don't make them have any self doubt, and they are more than confident. They know that the person next to them is, you know, equally prepared, and, you know, they are still one of the best in the world. So I think, like they say, winning is a habit. And I think this is something that our shooters have been doing in the last 3-4 years consistently. And this confidence is, you know, and this is what I want them to go into the lane with, knowing that, okay, I'm fully prepared. I got to go all out there, and I've done my best. So this is a beautiful feeling, I can tell you, as a shooter myself. And
I love this attitude of yours. Love it. Absolutely love it. चलिए, इतना सुन रहे हैं आप लोग, विलेज में क्या बैगन भरता क्या सब खा रहे हो, दाल छोला भटूरा एटसेट्रा, ऑल काइंड ऑफ मैडनेस मीडिया में रिपोर्ट हो रहा है, तो आप क्या खाना खा रहे हो? मीठा मीठा अभी मत खाना, 24 को खाना, एक साथ खाएंगे। 24th आफ्टर द मेडल वील हैव मीठा टुगेदर। यहाँ पे अपेरेंटली सम गुड इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट्स आर देयर, आई विल कैरी इट विद मी फॉर यू।
Come on, don't make me miss it. I'm already dreaming of Indian food.
No, I'll
Looking
get
up.
it. I'll get it. I mean, give it to you. You don't have to open your mask there. Go into your private quarter and have it. But we must have meetha together and celebrate the victory. But Suma, all the very best. All the very best. You have
Thank you.
worked, you and your team, I mean, the entire squad, you all have put in a hell of a lot. So, good things happen to good people.
Thank you so much.
It can't be as cruel. Rio was. We do not want that national collective lament anymore. We'll all be there, backing you guys, supporting you, cheering you. And another interview awaits on the 24th. And the request remains, so you've got to get that job done.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
See you. Take care. Stay safe. And if you can, desist them from going to the opening ceremony, because
Yeah,
that podium matters.
I think most of them are, pretty much decided. So, it's they are more careful. They worry more about themselves than
Good.
we think they do.
Good. So I'll see you on the 24th. Take care. Thank you very much for your time. Absolute pleasure to talk to you. See you soon.
Thank you. Same here. Bye-bye.
Thanks. Bye. Bye.